So hello everybody, my name is Jay and welcome back to my Tech Vault, and unlike most videos that I've done before, I'm going to try to stay away from, actually I'm doing a lot of things differently in this, and this is probably going to be more of a vlogging style video. I guess, obviously I'm not going to turn this into any of those channels. I just wanted to kind of get a little bit more of the background behind the scenes stuff because, as you guys know, I do a lot of videos where I talk about stuff, and especially because there's not really much to talk about, and I usually make my videos a day before, especially on Mondays. I wanted to kind of take a video and do a little bit more of a showcase on everything that I've been working on, everything that's kind of been going on. Obviously, I haven't been able to use yet, but it's there, and I've been doing a lot of self-improvement stuff on the channel so that things look a little bit better when we do get to certain circumstances, like, I don't know, building computers or something like that. So first off, number one, I'm going to probably do my best to kind of showcase everything that I've done and I've changed up. I did a setup kind of tour video, but that's not really I guess I want to more showcase kind of like the spring cleaning and stuff. As I was talking about earlier, I was doing a lot of cleanup around here. I pretty much went through and I completely reorganized this. So now instead of, obviously I don't know how much you guys can see this. Let me see if I can get a little bit close to right there. But I pretty much went through and I kind of cleaned everything up. And so that's kind of what you guys get to see there. It's not really done, and obviously I haven't finished any of the cable management past here, so I basically have like a pile of mounting stuff and a bunch of, like, all my graphics cards and stuff are down there. But everything past there just needs to be completely rewired, which I will, and I'm getting to that. So let's start off with just kind of showcasing some of the stuff that I have. I've actually changed up a little bit too. So everyone, says, oh yeah, wow, you've got all this nice equipment that kind of goes overhead and, does all this cool stuff. Well, actually, this tripod is completely broken. Like, the whole top is actually missing. And so what I did is I ended up going through and, let's see if I can get you guys a little view of that. But I pretty much went through and I ended up completely, I guess, making my own kind of custom mount for it. And I went through and I attached this old microphone stand that I had so that I could have my camera or my other kind of GoPro style camera overhead. So when I'm doing like motherboard unboxings or something, I don't have to kind of re-record stuff. I just get the ability to kind of share it or do it all at once, and I can sift through the footage. And then over here, I've got something actually new. This is a lot of the new stuff that I've been working on. So this is for live stream. So if you're unfamiliar, I do a lot of live. Actually, every single computer build that I do it on a live stream because I think it's a cool way to interact with people, especially when you're going through and you're streaming it. I feel like since the channel is tech, it's about computers. I feel like going through and streaming it makes sense. So obviously I've got these cameras set up and they're not done. I have to get some wires to go through and some connectors. Pretty much this is a wire or a webcam, and it's remote control, and it's got a lot of cool features on it. I actually got two of them. One's sitting over here behind the scenes as well, but it's basically just mounted to a tripod. Yeah, all these tripods and stuff I got from like yard sales and stuff. I think that one came with some lights and stuff. And actually, the stabilizer that I'm on now, that was actually broken. So as you can see, it's a little jerry-rigged. But yeah, pretty much that's what I've done is I went through and I used all this stuff. So I don't like to throw out stuff. I like to make sure I use it, even if it's broken. And I think this tripod was really nice, but it is just like it's solid steel, or maybe aluminum. No, it's steel. And one of the feet is missing on it. So I got a yard sale. I think it was like $3, and that's what I got my setup for. So obviously, when you have a channel that's really small, you don't have a large, production budget. So you kind of use what I have and try to, use and save it a little bit, or I guess save as much money as possible. And then over here, some Christmas gifts. This was, I guess, a little tripod that I got. This is also something I want to use for when I do a computer build. Probably sit it out front. A lot of the stuff that I ended up deciding on, or a lot of stuff I still haven't ended up deciding on. I kind of want to go through and obviously have that up there, but this camera over here is probably going to move. I think this is going to be like the main front camera. It's the highest quality, so I might just have it up front and then allow to see everything as I'm going on, and then maybe that camera will be over here, so you can kind of look in on that as well. But yeah, then a lot of stuff. I really don't want to go over there because there's a lot of mess. Pretty much I've got my mixers and stuff. If I can get this over here. But I've got a lot to clean up. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but my cable management, you can kind of see the line right now where you can't really see anything. It's like you see the videos. The videos are kind of like, I don't know, right here maybe. and you go see and you see that the line where the video doesn't see is kind of pretty evident there. But yeah, so this is basically for the audio system. I'm actually using my microphone. I haven't used it in a bit, so I've got like a lavalier and stuff set up. So that's kind of what it's all, basically a big mixer and stuff, so I can get the microphone, maybe another lavalier if I get that, anything like that, and of course some Steam stuff, so I can go play some Steam games, because this would not be a PC channel if we didn't play some games. But that's pretty much mostly that setup. A little bit of the background stuff behind here though. I've got a lot of the boxes. A lot of these are actually all of these are empty. But I like the boxes. They look really nice. And I guess I don't know. I just really have a fond liking for the boxes. I think it looks really good in the background. Got all this open space over here though. Not too sure what to do with. And then I guess over here is just, as I said, storage. There's a lot of power supplies back there, all the tool screws, etc. And then just a bunch of boxes. There's my graphics cards, and I think what is this? This is just cables, and I think that's all my fans. So just a lot of stuff that I've kind of gone through and reorganized, so it looks a little bit better. And then of course over here we have, let me push this chair. This chair I think I got for like a couple bucks. As you can see, it's like completely torn up, but you don't see that, and that's not what matters here. Obviously I'm not trying to showcase my lovely pitiful chair, but this is the computer, and if this is the editing machine, it's off at the moment, but you can really get a nice look. This is the 1000, this is a Raspberry Pi in there. This is the 1000 subscriber special. This is the, I think this was the external hard drive. I think I still got one in there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does. But yeah, that's what all the different things that I have on there. I've got all the different, I like stickers a lot. I got a lot of different stickers on there. And then I've got some external hard drives, and then computers down here that I've got to go through and sell. I'm going to try to sell those because those are all the budget PCs, so we can have a couple more videos or some more videos of budget PCs. Production budget around here is kind of low. But I guess that's going to really wrap it up for this video. I didn't know, honestly I didn't know what to make for today, so I just kind of wanted to show off like how everything's looking, what I'm actually working on. So yeah, I appreciate you for watching. Obviously this isn't going to be what everything is going to be around here, but it's a little bit more of the self-improvement, kind of behind the scenes stuff I want to get a little bit more into. Yeah, I've got a lot of cleaning still to do. But of course, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, of course, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you kind of think of the style. But honestly, that's kind of what I'm working on. And hopefully I'll have a computer to build soon and go through and build using all that stuff. I'm looking for the live streams, and I always try to plan the live streams out so you'll be able to see that before they actually start. I usually do those events with YouTube and stuff, so you basically can see those if I start one. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.